How to fix slow download speed in Telegram. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix slow download speed in Telegram. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, open up the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Here, tap on Storage Usage. The first thing you want to do is clear your cache, so go ahead and tap on Clear Entire Cache, then confirm by pressing Clear Cache. This helps remove unnecessary files that might be slowing things down. Now go back to the previous screen. Next, tap on Using Cellular Data. Make sure the data usage option is set to high, and also ensure that Auto Download Media is turned on. After that, go back again and tap on Using Wi-Fi. Here as well, set data usage to high and turn on Auto Download Media. Once you've done all that, go back and try downloading your file again. In most cases, this will fix the slow download speed issue on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.